Plant FAQs. Clematis pink champagne. Clematis pink champagne is one of those plants that seem to have a magical effect on any garden. Its delicate pink flowers add a touch of elegance and charm, making it a favorite among many gardeners, including myself. If you're considering adding this beauty to your garden, or if you already have one and need some guidance, I've compiled some frequently asked questions that might help. See more 391 species in genus Clematis at monsteraholic.com. What is Clematis pink champagne? Clematis pink champagne is a striking vine known for its lovely, blush pink flowers that resemble champagne bubbles. It blooms from late spring to early summer and can continue to flower sporadically through the fall. This variety is part of the Clematis viticella group, which is prized for its vigorous growth and abundant blooms. How to care for pink champagne clematis. Clematis pink champagne thrives in well-drained soil and requires a sunny to partially shaded spot. It's essential to keep the roots cool and moist, so planting it near a companion plant that provides some shade can be beneficial. Mulching around the base can help retain moisture and keep the roots cool. Regular watering is crucial, especially during hot, dry periods. How to prune pink champagne clematis. Pruning is a vital part of maintaining a healthy clematis pink champagne. This variety blooms on new growth, so it benefits from a hard prune in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. Cut back the stems to about 6 to 12 inches from the ground. This will encourage fresh, vigorous growth and more blooms throughout the season. How to propagate pink champagne clematis. Propagating clematis pink champagne can be done through several methods, including cuttings and layering. To propagate by cuttings, take 6-inch sections of new growth in early summer. Remove the lower leaves and plant them in a pot with a mix of compost and sand. Keep the soil moist and place the pot in a shaded area until roots develop. Layering involves bending a stem to the ground and covering it with soil. Once roots form, you can cut the new plant from the parent and transplant it. What to plant with pink champagne clematis. Clematis pink champagne pairs well with a variety of plants. Consider planting it alongside low-growing perennials like hostas or heucheras to provide a contrast in height and texture. Companion plants like roses or shrubs can also complement its delicate flowers. If you're looking for ground cover, try planting it with creeping thyme or sweet woodruff to help keep the roots cool and moist. Can you grow clematis pink champagne indoors? While clematis pink champagne is primarily an outdoor plant, it is possible to grow it indoors with the right conditions. You would need a large pot and a support structure for the vine to climb. Ensure it gets plenty of sunlight or use grow lights, and maintain high humidity levels. However, growing clematis indoors can be challenging and might not yield the same results as outdoor cultivation. Is clematis pink champagne toxic? Clematis pink champagne is not considered toxic to humans or pets. However, as with many plants, it's best to keep it out of reach of small children and animals to avoid any accidental ingestion. Benefits of growing clematis pink champagne. One of the main benefits of growing clematis pink champagne is its long blooming period, which adds visual interest to your garden for several months. Its vibrant pink flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. Additionally, clematis vines can be used to cover unsightly structures, such as fences or trellises, adding beauty and charm to otherwise plain areas. Common problems with clematis pink champagne. Like any plant, clematis pink champagne can encounter a few issues. Common problems include powdery mildew, which can be managed with proper spacing and good air circulation. Another issue is wilt, which may require removing and disposing of infected plants to prevent the spread. Ensuring your plant has good drainage and is not overwatered can help avoid these problems. Compare clematis pink champagne with other clematis varieties. If you're choosing between clematis pink champagne and other varieties, it's worth noting some differences. For example, Clematis jackmanii is a larger flowered variety with a deep purple hue, while Clematis the President has rich blue flowers. Clematis pink champagne stands out for its delicate pink color and its ability to thrive in a range of conditions. Clematis pink champagne is a delightful addition to any garden, offering elegance and charm with relatively simple care. By understanding its needs and characteristics, you can enjoy its beauty for many seasons to come.